Hi everyone, Tim Two Wheels here. This ride video is part of my Waterfall series, and today I want to take you to one of my favorite waterfalls here in Western North Carolina, Dry Falls. It doesn't sound exciting, but I think it'll be worth the trip. As we work on producing our waterfall series of videos, you'll get to see some of the many beautiful waterfalls here in Western North Carolina. Reportedly, there are several hundred waterfalls just here in Western North Carolina alone. We won't get to all of them, but we will get around to some of my favorites. Many of them require pretty extensive hiking to get to. Now, I have hiked to a few of them and it's worth the effort. But for you motorcyclists out there, we want to ride and have a fairly easy time of getting there. And fortunately, there's a perfect trip for us. Before we get on the road, I want to give credit to Smoky Mountain Rider blog. At smokymountainrider.com, Wayne Bush has put together some really great rides covering the Smoky Mountain area. And one of his rides is the Smoky Mountain Waterfalls motorcycle ride. Now, I found this ride on Wayne's website, and it has a great map, detailed directions. You can ride part of it or you can ride all of it. It's pretty cool. So get on over to his site and check that out when you get a chance. Nice work, Wayne. In this episode, I want to show you one of my favorite waterfalls, Dry Falls. It's just outside Highlands, North Carolina, here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains. Now, when I first heard the name Dry Falls, I thought, who wants to go see a dry waterfall, right? Well, it is beautiful, and it's well worth the trip. So you'll get to see some great pictures. Why is this waterfall one of my favorites? Well, for starters, it's got a great, safe parking area. Many of the waterfalls you go to here in Western North Carolina, you just have to pull off the side of a very narrow mountain road with traffic. And sometimes you have to really exercise a lot of caution and decide whether you even want to pull off or not. Some cases we have like a gravel spot or a pull-off area to get off into to see the waterfalls. By their very nature, these waterfalls are in very rural and very rough terrain. This waterfall has a great, well-maintained parking area. It's got nice paths down to the waterfall. There's even a handicap accessible viewing area that does not require any steps to get to. And most of all, it's an impressive waterfall. You get to walk behind it, great areas to take pictures and some excellent close-up views. So enough talk, let's get on the road and take a look. Okay, and here we go. Now, this ride footage begins shortly after leaving Quarry Falls, which is only about 3 miles up the road from Dry Falls. So you're seeing about the 3 miles preceding or leading up to Dry Falls. Now, the road winds through the mountains and follows the river all the way. Which is one of the reasons why there's so many waterfalls in close proximity to the road. In fact, in this one short section of the road here, probably easily within 10 miles of each other, there's 4 really nice waterfalls. So this is really a good hotspot for waterfalls. Beyond Dry Falls is Bridal Veil Falls, which is pretty cool. It's right on the road. In fact, you can ride your bike right behind. It's paved. You can drive behind the waterfall, and it's a nice photo op. Now, the total loop that's shown on the SmokyMountainRider.com website is a total of 190 miles, so it's a good all-day trip. What I like to do is plan sections of it. Since I live really close by, we can just ride out and ride a section and look at the falls and then head back home. It makes it not such a long and tiring trip. Okay, so I'm going to be quiet now and just let you guys enjoy the ride and enjoy the scenery. And there's the sign for Dry Falls, so you know you're almost there. So start slowing down. And up here on the right, you can see the observation platform that I spoke about earlier for handicap accessible. And here's the really nice parking area that we talked about. As you can see, it's a step above some of the others. Good parking spot right next to the outhouse. Now you can take the stairs down here if you want to walk down to where the falls actually is. To the right is the path that leads over to the observation deck. Some more shots of the paths. And as you round the corner, you'll get a glimpse of the waterfall. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of Dry Falls. Keep watching my channel for more ride videos, more how-to, more gear reviews, and more waterfalls. As always, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, click the like button. If you want to support the channel, please click subscribe. This is Tim Two Wheels, and that's how I do it.